Welcome to Beyond Dependency, Charting Africa's Path to Independence, a documentary that delves into the intricate relationship between Africa and Western countries, exploring the effects of colonialism and the quest for genuine independence. Join us on a journey to challenge stereotypes, celebrate African agency, and advocate for self-sufficiency and independence. Unravel the historical legacy of colonialism in Africa and its enduring impact on socio-economic structures. Explore the economic realities, analyzing unequal trade dynamics and resource exploitation that perpetuate dependency on Western aid. Discover empowering narratives of African innovation, entrepreneurship, and grassroots initiatives driving local development. Challenge cultural dynamics by celebrating diverse contributions to global progress and undermining biases that hinder African agency. Explore alternative paradigms rooted in African solidarity, self-reliance, and Pan-African cooperation for sustainable development. Contemplate the future prospects of Africa's development trajectory and the imperative for sustainable, inclusive growth. Advocate for equitable partnerships, policy reforms, and collective action to support Africa's journey towards true independence. Join the conversation as we navigate the complexities of dependency and independence, envisioning a future where Africa emerges as a self-sustaining powerhouse of innovation and prosperity. It's time to go beyond dependency and pave the way for Africa's rightful place on the global stage. Watch now and be part of the movement for change. If you enjoyed the content and want to stay updated with more informative videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications whenever new content is uploaded. If you have any questions or need further clarification on anything discussed in the video, feel free to ask.